work, work,
work, work, work, worker, work, working, overworked.
The activities that you have to do at school, for your job, etc.
I'll have to take this work home with me and finish it there. The teacher said she was pleased with my work.
If a machine or piece of equipment works, it is not broken.
Our telephone isn't working. I can't get the radio to work.
Drum, drum,
drum, drum,
A round, hollow musical instrument that you hit with your hand or a stick.
A bass or snare or kettle drum. A drum beat.
go, go,
Go, go, going, went, gone.
To go somewhere to do a particular activity.
We went skating yesterday. We're going camping on Friday.
To intend to do or be something.
I'm going to call her tonight. I'm going to be a dancer when I grow up.
Used to say that something is expected to happen in the future.
It's going to snow tonight. They're going to have their first baby in June.
To empty the body of urine or solid waste, usually using a toilet to do so.
It's going to be a long journey, kids, so if you want to go to the toilet, do so now.
fishing, fishing,
Fish, fishing, fish.
The sport or job of catching fish.
My dad loves to go fishing. Salmon fishing. Fishing is still their main source of income.
Opera, opera,
A musical play in which most of the words are sung.
Carmen is my favorite opera. I've never been a huge fan of opera. He goes to the opera whenever he can. Let, letting, let.
Something that you say when you are making a suggestion.
After the film, let's go out to dinner. Let's not argue.
To tell someone something.
Can you still come on Friday? Please let me know. I'll let you know when we've fixed a date for the meeting. Tourist, tourist, tour, tourism, tourist.
Someone who visits a place for pleasure and does not live there.
Millions of tourists visit Rome every year. Disney World is one of Florida's major tourist attractions.
to cost, to cost,
Cost, cost.
The amount of money that you need to buy or do something.
The cost of building materials has risen. The cruise ship was built at a cost of $400 million. Software is included at no extra cost. Cost, cost.
If something costs an amount of money, you must pay that amount to buy or do it.
How much did your bike cost? The trip will cost you $1,000. It costs a lot to buy a house in this part of London.
To write. To write.
Write. Write. Writer, writing, rewrite, write, written. Wrote, written.
To send a letter or email to someone, giving them information or expressing your thoughts or feelings.
James hasn't written to me recently. I wrote my sister a letter. My mother wrote to give me details about the party.
Entrance. Entrance.
Entrance. Entrance. Entrance. Entry. Enter.
A door, gate, etc. by which you can enter a building or place.
There are two entrances, one at the front and one round the back. They must have used the back entrance to the building. I'll meet you at the main entrance.
Comb. Comb.
A flat piece of plastic, wood or metal with a thin row of long narrow parts along one side, which you use to tidy and arrange your hair.
Has anyone seen my black comb?
Have. Have.
To have. To have.
Have. Have. Had. Had.
Used with the past participle of another verb to form the present and past perfect tenses.
Have you seen Roz? I've passed my test. He hasn't visited London yet.
To need to do something or be forced to do something.
I've got to go to Manchester tomorrow. Do we have to finish this today? They've had to change their plans.
Used when you are telling someone how to do something.
You have to wait for the green light and then record your voice. You've got to type in your name, then your password.
To give birth to a baby.
Elaine had a baby girl yesterday.
To experience something.
Have a nice day. We had a great time in Venice. We had a few problems finding the house.
Used with nouns to say that someone does something.
Can I have a quick shower? Let's have a walk along the river. Housewife. Housewife. Housewives.
A woman whose work is inside the home, doing the cleaning, cooking, etc., and who usually does not have any other job.
My grandmother was the perfect housewife.
Crisp. Crisp.
A very thin slice of potato that has been cooked in oil and is eaten cold.
A packet of crisps.
Cartoon. Cartoon.
A film made using characters that are drawn and not real.
Mickey Mouse and other famous cartoon characters.
A funny drawing, especially in a newspaper or magazine.
He likes the cartoons that you get on the back page.